Here's a step-by-step guide to crafting a newsletter from setting up your avatar to sending out a polished email. Step 1. Define your avatar. Target audience. Who are you speaking to? Identify your audience's demographics, preferences, needs, and pain points. For example, if your audience is small business owners, they might appreciate content around growth, marketing tips, or tech insights. Tone and style. Based on your avatar, decide if the newsletter should be formal, casual, or conversational. Step 2. Choose your goals and objectives. Are you trying to build brand awareness, share news, promote services, educate, or provide value with tips? Clarity here will shape your content. Step 3. Decide on newsletter content and structure. Main content themes. Keep it simple with a primary article, e.g., industry insights, tutorials, product spotlight, and some supporting sections. Supporting sections. Consider adding short segments like tips and tricks, recent blogs or resources, upcoming events or webinars, customer spotlights or testimonials CTAs, calls to action. Include clear CTAs based on your goals, e.g., read more, contact us, watch video. Step 4. Create a template design header. Include your logo, brand name, and possibly the newsletter name. Color scheme and fonts. Use colors and fonts that reflect your brand and are consistent with your other materials. Sections layout. Make each section visually distinct. Header, content, CTAs. A clean, simple layout ensures it's mobile-friendly. Step 5. Write engaging content. Hook your audience. Use a catchy subject line to encourage opens. Brief and value-packed. Each section should be short and easy to skim, focusing on value for the reader. Conversational tone. Connect directly with the reader by using personal language like you and your. Include links. Add hyperlinks for further reading, additional resources, or product pages. Step 6. Design visuals and graphics. Use images, icons, and other graphics to break up the text and make it engaging. Tools like Canva can help with creating on-brand images. Consider GIFs or short animations to highlight special offers or important updates, but keep them minimal for faster load times. Step 7. Test and preview. Preview how it looks across devices, desktop, mobile, tablet. Test all links, images, and formatting by sending it to yourself and some colleagues or friends to ensure everything works as expected. Step 8. Analyze and adjust. Once you send out the newsletter, track open rates, click-throughs, and reader engagement to learn what resonates. Use this data to adjust future newsletters for improved performance. Let me know if you'd like examples of content ideas or visual layouts.